I think we have a microphone. Do we have any questions from the audience, please? There's one here.
Hi.
Hi, Mary.
Hello.
What's the greatest thing that you've learned from your mum? I mean, what's the kind of... Did she leave you with a saying or a lesson in life that she's left you with? And also, I don't think you're particularly keen on having your own picture taken, are you? So you don't encourage the fame side of the McCartney family, I guess. So
I don't mind having my picture taken, but I don't seek it out to like have it in the press. But you know, I wouldn't mind her take. So if it's certain people, I like it. But she had a saying which was "keep it simple," which does always come back into my life often. If I'm on a shoot, because I do more commercial stuff as well, if I'm on a shoot and it's getting complicated, I will just think, right, we have to strip everything back and simplify it, and then it usually works. So yeah, I always have that saying in mind.
Any more questions? There's some down here.
Hello.
Hello. Do you have a picture when you were like young, or a family picture of you and your mum, your brothers and sisters?
Yeah. Are there any? Yeah, there are a few in the book. Some of them were a little bit embarrassing, though. There is a funny story that a book she did a while ago, she gave to my brother's school library. And there's a picture of him peeing off London Bridge, and he was not very happy about that because all his friends made fun of him. But generally, after that, she was very, she'd be careful which ones. So yeah, no, the thing that I love about them is there's a lot of amazing family portraits, and each one I'm like, I could put it up on my wall. They're so beautiful. So yeah, I'm really lucky with that.
I think you wanted to ask a question, the gentleman here.
Are there any particular photographers that inspired your mum?
Yes. She went to an exhibition in New York called Family of Man, which I think also was at MoMA. And that had a variety of different photographers, but that really inspired her. It was quite gritty, and there were people like Dorothea Lange who were part of the movement across America when it was part of the... when there was a lot of migration to California, that Grapes of Wrath kind of time. Mm-hmm. And I think they really, got to her, and they were quite poignant. So yeah, she loved them. But a lot of the classic, Lartigue she loved, who's also one of my favourites now too, that kind of thing. So a lot of the classic black and white photographers. Curtis, who took pictures of the American Indians. He catalogued the American Indians in America. So,
just one other thing. Given the difficulties of working with film, would she have approved of working with digital?
I think she would have moved into digital, but I started off in film, and I do find it hard to be really satisfied taking a digital picture. I can get a picture I love, but I don't actually feel like it feels like a bit ghosty. If I've got a negative, I feel like... So I think she might have been a bit like that too. And she and I had this thing where we'd get excited and say, look, let me know when your contact sheets are back, and we'd look through them together. So that element isn't quite there with digital, I don't think.
Quite
it wouldn't have been as much fun flicking through a screen.
Quite right too. We've run out of time. Thank you very much for your questions. And Mary, thank you very much for coming this evening. It's been brilliant.